You know that I'ma keep it cool. With you I feel like breaking rules. On the edge, looking out with no parachute. You know I'm dreaming about us two, playing around without a clue. On the edge, leaning out.
Hi everyone and welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before, and welcome to another vlog. So plan of action for today is, I can't tell you the last time I went inside Bottega Venetta, and I'm determined to look at the Andiamo and the Ciao Ciao bag. Hopefully they'll have one in stock for me to compare the two and show you the differences. Then I'm gonna go to Louis Vuitton, not to buy, but to actually try for a repair, because yeah, I'm meeting up with my mom, by the way, and I gifted them like a pochette clé ages ago. I'm gonna show you once I meet up with her and I can actually like physically show you the thing. Yeah, it looks fairly destroyed, so fingers crossed they can help us get it fixed, and then we're just gonna like roam around the shops, and of course I'm gonna take you along with me, so I guess let's go.
With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you.
And I got lucky and they had one Ciao Ciao in the standard size in stock, and like even the standard one, I believe it also comes in a larger size, but even the regular size is quite chunky and quite hefty. For me personally, like obviously the leather is beautiful, we're looking at Bottega after all, but it kind of lacks structure. So if you see what I'm struggling with there is like the flap, which you actually like have to clasp with this like metal situation. I didn't manage to do that, especially when the bag is empty, because it lacks structure so much. It's actually kind of hard to like attach, like fix the flap, if that makes sense.
Think you're toxic to my mind, but I know they don't know what you're all about. The way you hold my body tight, staying up talking through the night. Yeah, I know they just don't. With us it's all or nothing.
Okay, so this is what we're working with. It's been in constant use for three and a half-ish years, so it's looking a little flat, but the canvas itself is perfect. It's the clasp that is kind of like an issue. So essentially, usually, I think it goes that way, right? So usually you just like push up and then twist out, but yeah, it shouldn't go in two parts. So I don't know how they can fix it, or if it can fix it, and how much it's gonna cost, but let's find out.
But guess I need more of you.
Alright, so quick update. I'm actually super surprised. I was way off. Did I say like 3.5 years? Yeah, I purchased that pochette clé in 2019, and that's when my parents started using it. So yeah, it's been like going on 6 years. Also, they said that the exchange or like replacement of the metal bit takes like a week or so max. So that's great. I mean, we'll see how long it actually takes, but like a week or so, and it's free of charge. Which props to Louis Vuitton. I didn't expect that, because yeah, it's way out of the like guarantee time frame. So yeah, really surprised. I don't think I'm gonna like stretch this vlog into like the next week, if I even manage to vlog next weekend. But I'm gonna update you at some point. But yeah, I'm just gonna say it's gonna be a week and it's gonna be for free, which is great.
With us it's all or nothing. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave. With us it's all or nothing.
All right, quick change of plans. Okay, we didn't really have that many plans for today, but turn of events, we went into this like multi-brand store. I think it's called Unga, and apparently they have an outlet. Oh, watch me show you the flyer upside down. So, and they have an outlet for, I think they started yesterday and it runs until tomorrow. So chances, definitely, by the time that this video goes up, A, it's very Hamburg specific. B, the outlet will long have like finished. The flyer says 70% off. Realistically, that's more like for ready to wear and stuff. But anyway, so I guess we're gonna drive to the outlet, and really excited to find out what they have. I think it's like 11:30 right now. They opened at 11, so I don't know how like large the crowds are and if all the good pieces are gone already, but I guess we're gonna find out together. Let's go outlet shopping.
Warm hands, but there's something cold in the way you are. The things you said had me going good, but it left a scar. You invite me and then you turn me down. Get my hopes up and then you're gone. I fall for every word that you say to me. So hard, being drawn to you so easily. I am stuck in a loop of chemicals. What's the point of this? But I don't wanna be alone. I keep looking at my phone, but you never call me. And then I see you on the street, said your heart just skipped a beat, and that you miss me. It's always the same story with you, but I just cannot refuse you. I'm sad after this time that I'm out, that you leave me with this rush. Why am I so curious? So curious, so curious. So curious, so curious. Your friends have told me just to give you time. Weekends are passing by like everything is fine. I know this is so delusional. I have lost my grip, but I don't wanna be alone. I keep looking at my phone, but you never call me. And then I see you on the street, said your heart just skipped a beat, and that you miss me. It's always the same story with you, but I just cannot refuse you. I'm sad after this time that I'm out, that you leave me with this rush. Why am I so curious? If I know that it's gonna end. So curious, so curious. I don't know, why do I even care? I don't know, why do I love you? I don't know, why do I even care? I don't know, why do I love you? I don't know, why do I even care? I don't know, why do I love you? I'm recklessly drawn to you somehow, but you hit me with this rush. Why am I so curious? If I know that it's gonna end. So curious, so curious. So curious, so curious.
And we're done. Let me actually try. Oh no, definitely not. Anyway, so it's gotten way sunnier, which is great because the day started off very like misty and gray. The outlet was definitely like ready to wear focus. Amazing deals like Celine, Loewe, Saint Laurent. I tried on this like kind of a coat situation. I guess it was a coat, like a duffel coat. Initial price was like, I think I filmed it like 4,500. Ridiculous. 70% off, but still. I mean, great deal. But I'm not a designer ready to wear girly, so yeah, unfortunately I had to leave that behind. Anyway, I really hope you enjoyed today's video. It was a little all over the place, a little bit of a mixed bag. Really enjoyed looking at the Andiamo and the Ciao Ciao bag. Actually, I definitely preferred the Andiamo because the Ciao Ciao doesn't have really that much of a structure to it, and I prefer bags with structure all the way. But yeah, really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and I'm gonna catch you for one of my next videos. Bye.